So today, as you can see in my ears from left to right, I have an unboxing for you guys. The Surface Earbuds have finally arrived to my house, and yeah, here's a quick unboxing of them. These earbuds, we're gonna pretty much put you back around $199, but if you are a student or military, you can get it down to about like $179, and after tax, it should be tax and shipping. It should be like it should be about $190. So I got these for $190 since I am a student. And yeah, these earbuds are the ones that everyone talks about last year, that they said they look like gauges and stuff. And yeah, let's take a look. Let's take a look at them. So here we have, starting, the earbuds. You got the Microsoft Surface branding on it, and then you got the back of it right there. So you see right there, Microsoft Surface Earbuds. They support Bluetooth, Spotify, and they support iPhone, and it looks as if they support Windows 10. And it says here, in three different languages. It says ultra comfortable and stable fit with touch and voice controls, premium sound for music and calls, up to 24-hour battery with charging case. Now, I'm not sure whether this charging case is in fact a wireless charging case, but we're gonna find out shortly if this camera will focus. Let's see if, yep, there we go. So let's dig in. So let me open this box. So here we got the plastic off. Let's take a look. So we got the earbuds themselves on the right here. Here they are in the glorious case with the Apple plastic. Let me put up to the microphone so you guys can hear it. That ASMR sound. So here we got the case itself with the buds on the inside. There they are right there. In fact, my computer might actually pick them up in a second. But you got USB Type-C on the back. Nothing really at the bottom but this pair button, it looks like. And yeah, it's pretty simple. I'm going to take in a future video taking a look at it compared to like the Galaxy Buds or the AirPods. We'll see how they work. But yeah, you got the earbuds here. One thing I'm already telling that I don't like is how the area to try to get it out of the case, because like they don't really like give you anything to grasp on but using your nail. But here they are. Here are the Surface earbuds right here, and you can see they're kind of big. They're kind of big. Here's the right earbud actually. Yeah, so let me put this back in and take a look at the rest of the box. If I can close this earbud. There we go. So it says here, find your fit. So let's take a look what else is in the box right there. You got, looks like it says scan to get set up. So this probably gives you the Surface Audio app, which I'll take a look at in a future video. So let's put that aside. And then we got here the USB Type-C. It says Type-C to Type-A charger here. Pretty straightforward, not much to it. Plastic thing. Kind of feels like an Apple type of package, which is pretty dope. And then we got the little ear tips. So we got two size ear tips. We got small, and then we got large. Obviously, my ears are really small, so I'm going to put the smallest one in. Now, these don't cancel out noise or anything, so yeah, you're going to have to just use it as if you're imagining they are AirPods. In fact, they kind of remind me of the shape of an AirPod. But let's put that aside too. So now we're seeing here, what is this right here? It looks like this is just the documentation. So yeah, documentation here. Yep, just documentation. Put it to the side. And yeah, so pretty straightforward. Yeah, this is just a quick unboxing of the Microsoft Surface earbuds. So far, they look pretty nice. I still wish that, and I hope, I don't know if they're wireless charging case, but I still hope that these are in fact wireless charging, because I have like multiple wireless charging pads, and it would be beautiful to be able to use it with a wireless charging case. So yeah, this is how it is right there. This is one side, and this is the left side right there. You can see just up close. Let's just look in up close and personal one. Focus, there you go. So you can see how it looks right there, left, and then you can see how it looks to the right. Looks pretty cool, simple, and it's just a simple thing there for the pad. These are touch pads on each side. Apparently they work with PowerPoint and some other applications too that Microsoft has. So yeah, stay tuned for other videos on this channel. to see, you know, how the Surface Audio app and setup and everything like that is. But yeah, my name is Kwaku, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions about this, let me know. Yeah, and we'll see just how they are. But yeah, this was a quick unboxing of the Surface earbuds, and yeah, take care, everybody.